Iggy Azalea got herself into some trouble on Twitter again, this time for insinuating that it was partially Britney Spears' fault that Pretty Girls did not perform well on the charts. Today's episode of Clevver Newsfeed is brought to you by the new John Green movie Paper Towns in theaters July 24th. When a fan pointed out that Pretty Girls did not perform well on the charts, Iggy took to Twitter and got really honest about why. Iggy has proven time and time again that social media is not always the best outlet to have around when you're in your feelings. This is especially true for public figures, but Iggy, being Iggy, decided to set the record straight. When a fan pointed out that Pretty Girls flopped a bit on the charts, peaking at number 29 on the Bilboard Hot 100, Iggy responded to the tweet saying, quote, "It's difficult to send a song up the charts without additional promo and TV performances, etc. Unfortunately, I'm just featured. ... Well, shade translation, this was a group project, and while I did my part, the other person, aka Britney, didn't do anything, and the ellipses at the end are basically synonymous with Kermit sipping the tea." When Pop Zone then took that Iggy shaded Britney in her last tweet, Iggy responded saying, "My comment is factual, it applies to any song. I don't have to suck the woman's asshole 24/7 to be her friend, do I? Bye, girls." So, okay, she's basically saying that she was just being honest about the fact that she felt she did the majority of the promotion and that she'd rather keep it real than lie about how she feels by kissing Britney's butt. Or something like that. And let's be real, Pretty Girls may not have topped the charts, but it is killing it on the radio and in YouTube views, so I'd say it's been a success. The tweets have since been deleted, which usually means the person realized they may have started something that they regret, but what do you guys think? Did Iggy shade Britney, or was it just Iggy's way of not being fake? Sound off in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, and then click right over here to check out the ladies of Clevver debating about who's the best celebrity twerker. Click to see if you agree with their decision. Thanks for watching Clevver News. I'm Danielle Robay, and I'll see you next time. In case you missed all of the action at this year's BET Awards, click to the left to see the moment when Diddy fell into a hole on the stage, or click to the right for a recap of all the night's biggest winners. And before you go, click here to check out the trailer for Paper Towns with our girl, Cara Delevingne. And don't forget to get your tickets when it hits theaters July 24th.